Breaking. Agency issues official statement addressing divorce rumors between Hyun Bin and Son Ye-jin. Could the fairy tale love story between Hyun Bin and Son Ye-jin be facing a heartbreaking twist? Rumors of their divorce have spread like wildfire across social media, leaving fans in shock and disbelief. As speculation reaches a fever pitch, the couple's management agency has finally broken its silence with an official statement. What does it reveal? And what are they still keeping under wraps? Join Red Carpet Revealed as we dive deep into the truth behind the headlines. The drama begins now. Seoul, South Korea. In the world of K-drama royalty, few couples command the same reverence and public adoration as Hyun Bin and Son Ye-jin. From the on-screen chemistry of Crash Landing on You to their fairy tale wedding in 2022, the pair has been hailed as a modern-day romance idol. So when explosive rumors surfaced suggesting a split between the couple, the internet burst into speculation, conspiracy theories, and shock. It began with a single anonymous post on a French gossip forum, a blurry photo, allegedly taken outside a lawyer's office in Gangnam, captioned, "Hyun Bin seen with divorce attorney." The rumor was quickly picked up by clickbait tabloids, social media influencers, and even pseudo-news channels on YouTube. Hashtags like #HyunBin divorce and #Son Ye-jin breakup trended within hours. By the following morning, thousands of fans had flooded the couple's social media pages, begging for clarification. Despite the avalanche of public concern, both Fast Entertainment and Steam Entertainment remained silent for 48 hours. The void only fed the fire. Online sleuths began dissecting every recent photo, public appearance, and statement, desperately searching for signs of a fracture. Then came the alleged audio clip, an audio recording, purportedly of Son Ye-jin crying and saying, "I can't do this anymore," circulated on Telegram and Twitter. Forensic audio experts later debunked it as AI-generated, but the damage was done. Blogs and news sites ran wild. Secret conflict over career choices. Infidelity allegations rock golden couple. Son Ye-jin's pregnancy announcement was a cover-up. While some fans called for calm and verification, others demanded answers. The couple's last joint appearance at a luxury brand gala 3 weeks prior was now under harsh re-examination. Every glance, hand gesture, and distance between them became forensic evidence. In the midst of the frenzy, a surprising third party stepped in. The Seoul Metropolitan Police Agency. According to an internal memo leaked by a whistleblower, later confirmed by authorities, both Hyun Bin and Son Ye-jin had filed official complaints about digital defamation, harassment, and deepfake distribution. A special cyber investigation unit was assigned to trace the sources of the rumors, particularly focusing on media entities known for tabloid-style exploitation. The investigation turned up several shocking findings. A known gossip blogger had received over 10 million won in cryptocurrency payments to spread the initial story. At least 12 viral posts originated from troll farms operating out of neighboring countries. AI-generated content, including fake screenshots and deepfaked audio, video, played a significant role in manipulating public opinion. The story, it seemed, was more than just a celebrity scandal. It was now a national concern about digital ethics, media literacy, and cybercrime. Just when public opinion began to teeter toward skepticism, Hyun Bin and Son Ye-jin reappeared, together, were spotted leaving a high-end restaurant in Gyeongdong, holding hands, visibly amused by the paparazzi frenzy. It was their silent answer to the chaos. That same evening, both agencies released a joint statement. "We are aware of the malicious rumors circulating online regarding our artists, Mr. Hyun Bin and Mrs. Son Ye-jin. Confirm unequivocally that there is no truth to the claims of separation or divorce. The couple remains happily married and continues to support each other personally and professionally. Legal steps have been taken against those who spread and amplified these baseless stories." Public reactions were swift and mixed. Loyal fans rejoiced, conspiracy theorists doubled down, claiming the couple was forced to appear together. But the tide was turning. Seoul, South Korea. In the luminous constellation of South Korea's entertainment galaxy, few stars shine as brightly as Hyun Bin and Son Ye-jin. When the two top-tier actors fell in love on screen in the global sensation Crash Landing on You, fans hoped the chemistry was real. In 2022, Those dreams became reality with their intimate and highly publicized wedding that felt like the ultimate K-drama come to life. But in a turn more dramatic than any series they've starred in, the couple now finds themselves at the center of a whirlwind rumor storm, complete with paparazzi chases, generated audio, criminal cyber plots, international media intrigue. The first whisper came quietly, unnoticed by most. A post on an obscure gossip forum featured a blurry image of a man, resembling Hyun Bin outside what the uploader claimed was a law firm in Gangnam. The title was succinct. Hyun Bin spotted discussing divorce? Within minutes, netizens began sharing the post across Twitter, Reddit, and KakaoTalk groups. Just hours later, the digital echo chamber had exploded into a full-blown speculative wildfire. Several low-tier entertainment blogs ran the headline, "Is Korea's golden couple splitting?" And YouTube personalities known for sensational content launched live streams claiming to have insider sources confirming the divorce. Hashtags like #BinJin breakup and #divorcegate trended on X, formerly Twitter. Comment sections turned chaotic, some pleaded for it not to be true, while others accused the stars of faking their marriage for brand deals. As speculation ran rampant, Entertainment and Steam Entertainment, the respective agencies for Hyun Bin and Son Ye-jin, were eerily silent. That silence, often interpreted by fans as confirmation, stoked further theories. Amateur sleuths began to scrutinize every recent photo of the couple. The pair's last public appearance, a gala event for a luxury fashion brand in early May, was replayed with exaggerated scrutiny. Freeze frames of them standing 10 centimeters apart, Son Ye-jin adjusting her ring, and Hyun Bin's seemingly distracted expression were turned into viral posts with captions like, "You can feel the distance." Then, things escalated to a sinister level. An audio clip was leaked, allegedly featuring Son Ye-jin in tears saying, "Can't live like this anymore, even for our child." The clip swept through social media, gaining millions of views. But within 24 hours, experts stepped in. The Korea Digital Forensics Center analyzed the file and confirmed it had been generated using deepfake AI. The voice was not Son Ye-jin's, but rather a hyper-realistic simulation. Revelation prompted immediate backlash against those sharing the audio, but the damage had already been done. International news outlets had begun reporting on the rumors, sometimes with caveats, often without. Meanwhile, fan theories spiraled deeper into conspiracy territory. Some claimed the couple had secretly divorced months ago and were only pretending to be together. Others said their child, a son born in 2022, was part of an elaborate PR strategy. Fringe theories accused rival agencies or anti-fans of orchestrating the drama to derail both actors' careers. As public anxiety peaked, a surprising development took center stage. The Seoul Metropolitan Police Agency confirmed it had opened a formal investigation into digital defamation, misinformation, harassment involving multiple high-profile figures in the entertainment industry. A leaked internal memo revealed both Hyun Bin and Son Ye-jin had submitted formal complaints. They had requested protection not only for themselves but for their young son, who was now receiving hateful comments on family fan pages. The case was passed to the Cybercrime Division and marked high priority. Due to the celebrity's status and the involvement of AI-generated content, the police tracked several IP addresses to troll farms operating out of neighboring countries. Cryptocurrency transfers totaling 10 million KRW were linked to a known gossip YouTuber. One tabloid outlet, which ran a front-page story about the divorce, quietly took the article down and posted an apology in small print the next day. Just as rumors threatened to eclipse the truth entirely, Hyun Bin and Son Ye-jin made an unexpected public appearance. The couple was spotted leaving a discreet Michelin-starred restaurant in Gyeonggi-dong. Cameras caught them laughing together as they held hands, surrounded by flashes and murmurs. The images immediately went viral, telling much of the fear. That same night, both agencies released a powerful joint statement. The rumors circulating online regarding Mr. Hyun Bin and Mrs. Son Ye-jin are unequivocally false. The couple remains happily married and continues to support each other deeply. We have initiated legal proceedings against parties responsible for spreading defamatory content and deepfakes. This situation has deeply affected not only our artists but their families. We ask for privacy and caution as the investigation unfolds. The public, once divided, began to unite. Celebrities voiced their support. Park Seo-joon posted, "Imagine being so beloved that people create fiction to tear you down. Stay strong, Bin Jin." The tide had turned, but this was only the beginning. Within a week of the statement, South Korea's legal system found itself center stage in an unfolding media circus. For the first time in its history, the Seoul Central Court agreed to partially televise a celebrity-led defamation trial. Hyun Bin and Sun Ye-jin, under heightened security, arrived at court wearing coordinated gray suits and stoic expressions. Representing them was famed attorney Lee Ji-hwan, known for handling Korea's biggest defamation cases. He began by presenting a chilling timeline of events: the original rumor, the synthetic audio, crypto payments to gossip mongers, and the cross-border misinformation strategy. Among the accused were 2 tabloid websites known for unverified scoops, content farm linked to multiple YouTube gossip accounts, a former agency employee who sold private travel documents, and a foreign-run site that published altered photos, screenshots of conversations, video editing software logs, and IP maps were entered into evidence. One defendant admitted they didn't believe the content was real but posted it anyway because it was good for traffic. The backlash against the defendants was swift and merciless. Public opinion turned furious. Comment sections were filled with variations of, "How dare you try to ruin a family for views?" Sun Ye-jin gave a tearful, closed-door testimony. Though her words were not recorded, a court spokesperson paraphrased, "She spoke not only as a celebrity, but as a mother." She asked how any society could justify profiting from lies that target children. The final ruling was decisive. The court imposed the following penalties: symbolic damages of 1 to demonstrate the issue wasn't financial, 2,000 hours of community service for each defendant, mandatory public apologies in both Korean and English, deletion of all related content, participation in a nationwide campaign for digital ethics awareness. As the dust settled, something extraordinary happened. Hyun Bin and Sun Ye-jin posted a personal video. Shot in their garden, the couple spoke casually, their child's laughter heard in the background. "We were hurt," Hyun Bin said, "but we are also grateful for the overwhelming support from people who saw the truth." Sun Ye-jin added, "We don't need to prove our love to anyone, but we want to protect those who come after us from going through what we did." The video ended with a simple message: truth endures. Lies evaporate. In the weeks that followed, media outlets pledged reforms. YouTube channels closed. Lawmakers began debating new digital safety laws. And the couple, once again, became symbols, not just of romance, but of resilience.